Good evening. My pool is 48 years old, an oval shape, and the coping isn't good anymore. I am planning on doing it myself. Any suggestions on how to proceed? And just showing we've got some standard kind of CP2 bullnose coping, a liner track, some type of coping stone sitting behind this CP2 coping, and then paver stones behind that. So how would he
Go
do
about
this
doing this?
himself?
So there's several steps. Obviously you have to deconstruct whatever the brick paver is, move that out of the way. Looking at the coping, likely it's screwed down and or bolted down to whatever the top of the pool structure is. All that would need to be removed. Also, this is the time to change the liner in the pool, unless you can figure out how to do one piece at a time. Disconnect the liner, put the new piece on, re-pull the liner back in place. I think that's going to be his biggest challenge as a homeowner doing it, is if you're not replacing the liner, how are you going to be able to remove each piece of coping that holds the liner, unless there's a separate piece that holds the liner and you could just remove that top half. Usually it's all together. So the biggest challenge is deconstructing it, taking it apart to see what's all underneath there, and then if you're not replacing the liner, how are you going to remove the coping without having the liner fall in and be able to reattach the liner as you go? Is it possible? Sure. It's not going to be easy, I can tell you that much.